Is it time to buy or sell IREN Energy stock? In this video, we're diving deep into IREN Energy. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 22nd of August, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since May 6, 2025, our system has ranked IREN Energy as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 7.59. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 229.69% since we first listed IREN Energy as a buy candidate 76 days ago. This translates to an average return of 3.02% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is situated in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further rise within this trend is likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 111.52% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 81.41% to 130.57%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of 42.93%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 49.87% and positive 30.32% over the next year. This places the anticipated future price somewhere between $10.74 and $27.93. Our latest daily update for IREN Energy highlights significant movements in IREN Energy Limited stock price on Friday, fluctuating by 15.1% between its high and low. The IREN Energy Limited stock price increased by 9.39% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 22nd of August, 2025, rising from $19.59 to $21.43. During the last trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 15.1%, with a day low of $18.87 and a day high of $21.72. Over this period, the price has shown volatility, with a total gain of 16.15% over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with a total of 12 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 29 million shares changed hands for approximately $612.98 million. In the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $21.72, while the lowest was $5.13. Currently, the price is 1.34% or $0.290 below the 52-week high, and 24.14% or $6.82 below the all-time high reached on the 17th of November, 2021, when the price peaked at $28.25. IREN is capitalizing on 2 significant trends: low-cost Bitcoin mining and a swift transition into artificial intelligence data centers. Recent reports showcase remarkable revenue increases, with the first quarter up by approximately 280% compared to the previous year, and company statements indicating a 128% year-over-year growth. Additionally, ultra-low energy costs, around 3.3 cents per kilowatt-hour, provide IREN with a distinct advantage in mining expenses, enhancing cash flow for data center expansion. The stock has seen substantial gains this summer, signaling a golden cross technical pattern and rising about 210% since April, accompanied by a more modest 6% increase in the past month, as momentum faces valuation scrutiny. Management released an update in early August and has set the date for fiscal year 2025 results on August 28th, an upcoming event that could trigger new volatility. In the short term, anticipate price fluctuations surrounding earnings reports, Bitcoin movements, and technical momentum. Optimistic news and solid results could elevate shares, while any disappointments or declining cryptocurrency prices might lead to significant pullbacks. In the long run, If IREN successfully channels its low-cost mining cash flow into profitable, high-margin AI infrastructure, the company could warrant higher valuations. Though execution risks, the cyclical nature of cryptocurrency, and current elevated valuations remain critical challenges. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 10th of July 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned a buy rating to IREN, accompanied by a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May 2025, it was reported that Macquarie assigned an outperform rating to IREN, also with a hold action. On the same day, Thursday, the 15th of May 2025, B. Riley reiterated a buy rating for IREN, maintaining the hold action. On Sunday, the 9th of February 2025, Cantor Fitzgerald gave IREN an overweight rating, indicating an initialize action. On Thursday, the 19th of December 2024, B. Riley once again assigned a buy rating to IREN, paired with a hold action. Analysts have assigned IREN Energy stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for IREN Energy. Today's chart reveals predominantly positive signals. The stock of IREN Energy Limited shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is present, as the short-term average exceeds the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support can be expected at levels corresponding to $19.86 and $17.83. A decline below either of these thresholds would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 1st of August, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 39.16%. Continued growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The rising volume alongside the increasing price is considered a strong technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggested a buy signal 16 days ago. Bollinger also showed a buy signal 16 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 5 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average signaled a buy 14 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 60 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 55 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for IREN Energy. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $18.15 and $16.95. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, IREN Energy Limited finds support just below today's level at $18.15. If this level is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $16.95 and $16.82. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $2.85 between its high and low, which is a change of 15.10%. Over the past week, the stock has seen an average daily volatility of 11.76%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for IREN Energy, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could signal inadequate profits and raise concerns about possible bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 28th of August, 2025. Analysts have a consensus estimate of 17 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for IREN Energy. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, IREN Energy encounters its first support level at $18.15. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for IREN Energy from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 1st of July, 2025, Guzowski Christopher conducted an insider purchase of 39,168 shares of ordinary shares. On the 1st of July, 2025, Roberts William Gregory conducted an insider purchase of 1,793,392 shares of ordinary shares. On the 1st of July, 2025, Bartholomew David James conducted an insider purchase of 48,960 shares of ordinary shares. On the 1st of July, 2025, Roberts Daniel John conducted an insider purchase of 1,793,392 shares of ordinary shares. On the 1st of July, 2025, Parasuraman Sunita conducted an insider purchase of 39,168 shares of ordinary shares. Based on the 25 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 92.939. Overall, insiders bought a total of 10,733,554 shares and sold no shares in the last 25 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $20.67, reflecting a decline of 3.54%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. A buy signal has been indicated following a pivot bottom that emerged 15 days ago. Is IREN Energy stock a good buy? IREN Energy Limited holds several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it to be a good choice at these current levels and anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis conclusion for this stock has been upgraded from a buy to a strong buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, August 25th, we expect IREN Energy to open lower by approximately 757 cents, starting at $20.67. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.